Hello y'all, it's Miss Campbell again, and today we're going to go through the circles project, okay? So first thing, the circles project is going to be due April 9th at the end of class, or the end of day if you are virtual. And it says to show your knowledge over our unit on circles, we will be completing a project to showcase everything you have learned. We will be creating a booklet that explains various terms and ideas about circles. Please follow the directions below to create your booklet. There will be 8 pages in your booklet, as well as a cover page. You will need 5 sheets of paper, okay? And y'all, this could be regular printer paper, or if you don't have any of that, you can take notebook paper, that's fine. Just make it nice and neat, okay? Please don't just rip pages out and have jagged edges and all that, okay? So nice and neat, please. Fold in half and stapled in the center to create the booklet. On each page, you will need the following. You will need the vocabulary word / idea about circles, and we have a list of words for you guys to choose from, and that's 1 point. You will need a definition / explanation of the word. That's worth 3 points. You will need a picture demonstrating that word or idea. That's another 3 points. You'll need an example problem that involves the word or idea. That's another 2 points. And y'all, we're doing lots of different problems in class, so, those could be some ideas for your problems. And then you need the answer to the problem that you wrote, and that's worth 1 point as well. So every page is worth 10 points. So 8 pages, 10 points, that's 80 points. If you do all your pages and you hit every single one of those, you're going to get at least an 80. Okay. The words to be used for your pages are as follows, and 1 page is 1 word. You must use these 5 words. You have to use the word radius, circumference, inscribed angle, the area of a circle, and sector. Okay, you have to have those 5, and they can be in any order. And then you're going to choose 3 from this other part. You're going to choose from arc length, major arc, minor arc, central angle, tangent, secant, chord, the equation of a circle, diameter, or radians. Okay? And it can be anything about radians that we talked about. So you have to have all 5 of these, and then you choose 3 from over here. The pages of your book need to be one-sided, because if you're going to decorate it with marker or like pens and stuff, they can tend to bleed through. And we don't want that because it's not going to look that good. So please make your pages one-sided, and then you're going to use all the pieces of paper in that booklet to do it. We have, and I'm going to come back to this here. After completing the interior pages, you're going to need a cover page. Okay, on the cover, you're going to need several things. You need the title of your booklet. Guys, be creative, make it something nice. Then you're going to need a drawing of a circle with 5 of the words or ideas that you chose shown on the drawing. So 5 of those 8 words. And then you're going to calculate some different values for those 5 different words. Okay, and you're just going to you can make up some values, right? Because we don't all have a protractor and stuff to measure with. But I'll show you an example on mine, okay? So it says, example, calculate the area based on a radius that you label, calculate the area of a sector based on a radius and an arc, things like that, okay? Also, if you would like to create it as a PowerPoint, you totally can, okay? You can do it as a PowerPoint, but you would need 9 slides. You need the cover slide and then 1 slide for each word, so 9 slides. And you still have to meet all the requirements for each page. So if you want to do a PowerPoint, that is an option for you. So now, project timeline. We are assigning this project on March 23rd. Okay, on the 31st of March, we're going to require that you turn in pictures of your 4 completed pages. At that point, you must have 4 pages completed. Okay, March 31st, 4 pages completed. That's a little bit over halfway through the project. And then it is due on April 9th at the end of class. So please make sure you've got all that stuff done on time. And then finally, for the grading, we're going to be using this rubric here, okay? On your title page, we've got all the different requirements that you need. So your title page is 12 points. Each of the 8 pages is worth 10 points apiece. And then finally, we have 8 points for general organization, color, creativity, etc. Okay? So please make it look nice, be a little bit creative, have some fun with it. You know, you can draw cute little pictures on your definitions or make the cover look really nice. Just show that you put some nice effort into it and try to be neat and organized. Okay, so here is my example. All right, you can see, maybe I'll zoom out a little bit. All right, you can see here I have, and I'm not 100% finished with my cover, but it's just to give you an idea. So I made my name here, and I'm gonna add some more decorations and everything. So that's my name, that's my title. And then here I have the picture, and you can see, I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer. You can see that I actually measured here because I have the tools to measure. So if you're at home and you want to, you know, if you have a protractor, if you want to buy one or whatnot, you can do that. But again, it's not required that your measurements be super accurate. All right. So there's my radius, and then I calculated the area of this little sector. See, I got my central angle and whatnot. I calculated the area, and it's all based off of that radius that I did. Okay. And then I've created one page here, and again, is this fully finished decorated? No, but this is an idea to get you started. So I'm going to add more things to the page to, you know, liven it up a little bit. So I have the name, and then I have a definition here. And y'all, look, I don't have the neatest of handwriting. It's okay. As long as it's legible and, you know, everything is nicely laid out on the page, you're going to be good. And then I have a picture of the central angle. And then I made up a problem, and I have the answer. So every page is going to be like this. And again, like I said, just go through, add some little artwork or, you know, designs, color, make it fun. All right, so that's all there is to it, guys. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Just remember, it's due on April 9th. You need to have 4 pages completed by March 31st. And as always, email your teacher if you have any questions. See you guys later.